The Japanese spent 2 million yen to become a dog, which is $13,947.40, equivalent to Pakistani currency 3,979, 690.67/Rs. Recently, a Japanese man who fulfilled his lifelong dream of becoming an animal made headlines on social media. Twitter user @Toko_V, real name Toko, shared captivating images of his amazing animal appearance, making netizens astonished and curious. His transformation into a popular dog breed, the Collie, was made possible with the help of a professional agency called Zeppet. This news was reported by NDTV. A local news agency in Japan reported that Minavi, Zeppet, is a well-known agency specializing in creating sculptures for films, commercials, and entertainment venues. They have specialization to produce costumes also such as those worn by famous Japanese mascots. The office played an important role in realizing Toko's dream. The whole process of making Toko's animal costume was complicated and time-consuming. Zeppet's skilled artists and craftsmen reportedly worked meticulously for 40 days to bring Toko's vision to life. In addition, the entire costume had an expensive price tag estimated to be over 2 million yen in Japanese yen. In an interview with News, Minavi's Toko explained why she chose a collie as an animal to change her. He revealed that his love for four-legged animals, especially cute ones, inspired this unique endeavor. We pursued realistic and persuasive expressions that make you feel close to big animals. Toko believed that a long-haired dog like a collie would be perfect for making her dreams come true. A collie's fluffy fur can effectively hide human features and make the transformation more authentic. Toko's decision to become a collie was based on her admiration for this breed. By becoming a collie, Toko wanted to embody the aspirational traits of these amazing animals. This change allowed him to develop a personality that was deeply aligned with his passions and interests. Social media users were stunned and confused by Toko's surprising transformation. His dedication to making dreams come true combined with Zeppet's meticulous craftsmanship have created a truly unique and captivating look. The image he shared on his Twitter quickly went viral, with many expressing admiration for his bold and creative pursuits. While some may find Toko's decision to transform into an animal unconventional, his story demonstrates the power of self-expression and the effort people can put into achieving their dreams. Toko's courage to embrace his passions and bring them to life through Zeppet's artistry has left an indelible impression on the internet. Toko's story continues to fascinate netizens, and serves as a reminder that there are many forms of self-expression. Through art, costume, or personal transformation, each individual has the freedom to pursue their passion and celebrate their uniqueness. Toko's journey to becoming a collie is a testament to the vibrant diversity of human creativity and the limitless potential for self-discovery.